Hello and welcome to Zevy's Garage. Today we're going to be upgrading the Xenon headlights on my 2012 Mini Countryman. This upgrade slash replacement will apply to any second gen Mini with the D1S Xenon headlight housings and bulbs. Factory Xenons are decent headlights. They don't quite cut it for me. I really like a bright headlight that doesn't blind oncoming traffic. My girlfriend's Mini's headlights are a perfect example of that. They're the aftermarket V-line headlights. But you know, not everyone wants to upgrade to an aftermarket headlight slash downgrade slash whatever, however you want to call it. Sometimes you just want a plug and play upgrade that is just for bulbs. So what I have here is some LED Xenon replacements from a company called Auxito. They were kind enough to reach out and send me a pair of their LED drop-in replacements that we're going to try out on my Countryman. I'm very excited. I've been wanting to replace these bulbs with something better. These are the factory OEM Xenon bulbs, the D1Ss, and I've had them on this car about a year. The previous ones had burnt out. But once again, they're okay, but I would like something better. So hopefully this should suffice and satisfy me. Let's find out. Here's our box from Auxito. Once again, thank you very much for reaching out to me and sending me the set. Really appreciate it. We got some D1Ss here, as you can see. Our identifications, and play, whatnot. Very excited. All the specs we can need right here. And did I mention with these headlights, if you like them and I like them, you can get 15% off if you use code Zevy's Garage. Okay, as much as I want to open this box, we're going to wait. We're going to first start by removing the factory Xenon bulb. Okay, so we are here at the back of our headlight. We're going to press this tab here and release the clip so that we can pop off this cover. We'll get that out of the way. Then all we have to do is rotate the actual headlight bulb and igniter like so. So what we're gonna do is rotate like so and wiggle it out. Like so. You're gonna lift here. You're gonna wiggle it on out like so. Bada bing, bada boom. There is our factory Xenon bulb. We're gonna replace this with the upgraded one. We have to disconnect the electrical connector bit. What we're gonna do is we're gonna attempt to just pull it. There we go. Simple enough. You just pull it and it comes apart. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox our new Auxito D1S LED replacements. So we're gonna open the box, and would you look at that? They give us gloves. One thing people don't realize is when you replace bulbs in your house or in your car, you need to wear gloves, because if you don't, you can contaminate the light with oils from your finger and it can lead to a shorter life. Here's our brand new LED replacements. As you can see here, we will compare it to a factory bulb. That can go there. LED replacement can go here. And then our factory Xenon can go right here. As you can see, there is quite a difference. And I'm very excited. One, this looks a million times cooler, and two, I'm sure it's a million times brighter. Well, not a million times, obviously, but I'm sure it's a lot brighter. Okay, so we are all prepared to install our new LED replacement light. We're just gonna do it. It's simple. You just basically backtrack and do the steps that I just described to get it out. You can do the reverse to put it back in. Here is our replacement light. We're gonna install it like so. Same deal. We're just gonna plug it in. Clicks right in. I don't know if you saw that. Let's do it again just so I can show you. So here's our connector. Here's the bulb. And 3, 2, 1, and bada bing, bada boom, just like that. Perfect. Okay, so here is replacement bulb. Currently in high beam, just because we'll showcase this more at night. And here's the factory one here. And not high beam. And then here's the Auxito. With this side installation complete, we're going to move on to the other side. Ooh, video doesn't do justice. These are a little wider than the factory Xenons are, and damn son, these look nice. I'm very excited to try these at night. Definitely a nicer color. It's just clean, you know? That is nice. Super solid. So you can see they are quite nice and bright. Very excited to see how they are when we drive. What the fuck? Okay.
They were excited.
As you can see, the lights are quite nice. The actual beams themselves, as you can see, quite nice and bright. Pretty happy with them. So that is going to be it for this video. I'm very happy with my Auxito LED D1S replacement bulbs. They're super killer for the mini headlights. Any of the Xenon headlights for at least the second gens or anything that uses the D1S bulb, they fit. Remember, use code ZEVISGARAGE to get 15% off the headlights. And oh, did I mention, these headlight bulbs are cheaper than OEM, yet they're brighter. So take your pick. You can either pay $100 for $100-ish before tax for a set of OEM bulbs, or you can get the Auxitos with my discount code for significantly less than OEM bulbs and be brighter. So once again, take your pick. My pick is Auxito. And until next time, goodbye.